there's Mama. And there's the kids in the nest. After a number of days, I can honestly say that Mama's gotten used to me. Because it was the case that if I were standing here like this, she'd fly away. Right, Mama? In the nest are baby barn swallows. Unfortunately, you can't see them very well, but they look like they might be ready to practice flying. I assume Mama here is not going to do that, with yours truly standing here. I brought my camera out because there was a lot of busy activity in the nest, but of course as soon as I opened the door, the screen door, everybody got quiet. Mama got protective. Okay, Mama, I'm gonna let you do your thing now. Bye, everyone.